Math 3, final benchmark, question 16. Consider line segment YZ with endpoints y is -3 and -6 and z is 7, 4. What are the coordinates of the midpoint of line segment YZ? So we're looking for the midpoint. So we know it's going to be somewhere in the middle because that's what midpoint is, right? So if we look at these, we can say 5, 5 is up here. You can visually eliminate that. -4.5, 5.5 is up here somewhere, so you can eliminate that one for sure. So a half and -6.5, yeah, you probably can eliminate that one. So more than likely the answer is B. But if you remember the midpoint formula, all you have to do is take your x's. So let's take my x's, -3 plus 7, and divide that by 2. So it's just like finding the average. So take the x's at first, -3 plus 7, so that's going to be 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then do the same thing with the y's. So if I do the same thing with the y's, I'm going to have -6 plus 4. And I'm going to take the average, or half that. So -6 plus 4 is -2, divided by 2, which is -1. And this shows that our midpoint should be at 2, -1, which is right here. So that confirms that the answer is B. So you can visually get close, probably eliminate several choices by just knowing what midpoint means and knowing that it's going to be in the center. But the midpoint formula also, take the x's, divide by 2, take the y's, divide by 2, and you can quickly find the midpoint. All right, question 16, the answer is B.